How to use the virtual background in Google Meet. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the virtual background in your Google Meet. So the very first step is to head to the Google Play Store if you have your Google Meet not installed on your device or uninstalled. But if you already have installed it, then just open it. After opening the Google Meet, just join to the very meeting that you want to join. And now let's see how we can use our virtual background. I've already joined to a meeting, so let's just make it a full screen. So this is the option of video right here, and the microphone option and the palm option, raise your hand, and the other features are visible in your screen when you tap on the three vertical dots. But we cannot see the option of virtual background right here. So how do we use it is, you should open your video to use a virtual background. So start by opening your video. See, I've already put the virtual background on my Google Meet. To change it, I will show you. Just tap on this right here. When you open the video, the options of backgrounds, filters, and appearance will be shown on your screen. So choosing for the virtual background, I can choose to blur it, or I can even add the image by clicking the photos of my room or any other photos that I want to have. So yes, there are many other options available for free right here as well if you don't want to choose from your gallery. So just if you don't want to use your virtual background, then just tap on the virtual background that you have selected and choose a not choose option. And to choose, just tap on again it and it will be selected. So guys, this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Also comment on the comment section below.